Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic data structures. Iterate through the keys of an object with a for in a statement. Sometimes you may need to iterate through all keys within an object. This requires a specific syntax in JavaScript called a for in a statement. For our users object, this could look like for let user in users, and we are printing using console log. In the log username means user, in this case Alan, Jeff, Sarah and Ryan. In this statement we defined a variable user, and as you can see the variable was reset during each iteration to each of the object's keys as the statement looped through the object, resulting in each user's names being printed to the console. Note, objects do not maintain an ordering to a stored keys like arrays do. Thus, a key's position on an object or relative order in which it appears is irrelevant when referencing or accessing that key. Task for this challenge: we have defined a function countOnline which accepts one argument, a user's object. Use a foreign statement within this function to loop through the user's object passed into the function and return the number of users whose online property is set to true. An example of user's object which could be passed to countOnline is shown below. Each user will have an online property with either a true or false value. Like object will be similar to this. Let's begin coding. For let user in users object. Let's if user object and then the name of the property and then online, then there should be a counter. Let count equal to 0, and in this case count plus plus. In the case it is true, and in last we will return count. Let's run the tests. Why is not it? Where is the from? Okay, users object. It should be this one. Let's run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.